I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking Yukimiya into Azure Latch stance and charging the ultimate until the meter reads at least 1/3. Once done, move to a 10-15 meter offset so you have room to arc. This spacing lets the latch travel without clipping geometry. Make sure you can see the target and that a secondary anchor, ally, or deployable is available within 3 seconds. This combination sets up both direct damage and tether options, so start the cast without delay. Once you trigger the Azure Latch, follow the projectile's trajectory and apply small aim corrections. You want clean contact on the target's hitbox rather than grazing an obstacle. When the latch connects, time your follow-up ability about 1/2 to 1 second after impact to maximize the burst chain. This synchronizes damage and crowd control windows. Also, make sure to exploit walls or terrain. Bouncing or tether repositions can extend uptime and secure additional hits on clustered enemies, increasing overall effectiveness. Finish the sequence by detonating or using your ultimate's closing effect to secure the kill. You should do this as soon as the follow-up confirms target vulnerability. Once complete, reposition right away to avoid enemy counters or traps, maintaining map awareness and a safe retreat path. If the latch misses or clips geometry, cancel the animation and reset within 2 seconds, then approach from a different angle. This quick reset prevents wasting cooldowns and gives you another clean opportunity to land the full combo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.